The Base Price tab is the foundation of your entire pricing strategy. Here, you'll set the starting point for every night and how it's priced to maintain consistency while also allowing for simple dynamic changes. Scale the pricing up or down by 20% with just a few clicks to ensure it's always accurate and optimized, or adjust it manually with a specific value so you always have full control and a quick response to the market changes around you. If you notice that your listing's price is consistently too high or too low throughout the year, it's a strong indication that you should adjust your base price. Use the PriceOptimizer benchmarking tool to compare your performance with that of similar listings around you. Throughout the year, if a single month's pricing is too high or too low, you can adjust it specifically with the Seasonality tab. So take a look at the bigger picture, manage your rates with ease, and optimize your revenue with just a few clicks. If you want to learn more, feel free to continue browsing our Help Center. Thanks for watching.